Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, November 28th, and they are good up until Saturday, December 4th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so before I get into the deals, I wanted to mention that I did use a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. I used all digital coupons, so we're going to go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to start with the Gillette foam shave gels, which are these right here. And so these are buy one get one 50% off this week at Walgreens, and they are priced at $2.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase two. One will ring up at $2.99. Your second one will ring up half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. Then you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash, bring your total down to just 48 cents for both, or it makes each one just 24 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Almay Skin Perfecting Foundation, and then I also grabbed the Revlon Lip Color. So the Almay is priced on clearance for $3.49, and then the Revlon is on clearance for $5.29. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but a while back when we was getting deals on the Revlon and the Almay, an $8 store coupon printed off, and it was for $8 off your next cosmetic purchase. I had two of those coupons, and those coupons did expire on Sunday, which was November 28th. So you can no longer use those coupons, but I had two of those. I used one in this transaction. So $3.49 plus $5.29 brought my overall total to $8.78. Minus that $8 store coupon, it brought my total down to just 78 cents for both of these, or it makes each one just 39 cents. And then I also went ahead and grabbed the Palmolive dish soap, and this is priced at Walgreens this week for 99 cents. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So 99 cents minus that $50 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just 49 cents. Now, one thing I want to mention about the Palmolive this week is that for me, the 50-cent digital coupon is not coming off at all. I also did it in a second transaction, and it did not come off for me on that transaction either. But I did contact customer service, and they did go ahead and credit that 50 cents to my account. So just to let you guys know that. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed two of these Dove Men & Care Clean Comfort deodorants. There's one, and then there's my second one. And so both of those items are priced this week at Walgreens at $2 for $11. We have a 7 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11 minus that $7 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $4. Then if you check IBOTTA, IBOTTA does have a rebates for $1 back. I purchased two. 1 times 2 is 2. So I did get back $2 from IBOTTA. So $4 minus the $2 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $2. Then if you check your Fetch Rewards app, Fetch Rewards has a rebate for $1 back. The limit is 5. I purchased 2. So I did get back $2 from Fetch Rewards. So with getting back that $2 from Fetch Rewards, that made both of these Dove deodorants completely free. So this is a really, really good deal to do this week, you guys. And then I also grabbed two of these Lysol dual action wipes. And these are just priced at Walgreens this week at $2 for $5. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. When you use that digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $4 or $2 each. And I am stocking up on these Lysol wipes because I have a customer that is in need of these. So I am stocking up this week, and I am going to sell these wipes to her. And then I also grabbed two of the Colgate Optic White Toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy two, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you want to go ahead and purchase two at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $3.98. And you will get back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Dawn dish soap. And this Dawn dish soap is priced at $2.69. We do have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.69 minus that 50-cent digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $2.19. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest Scope mouthwash. This is the 16.9 ounce. And these are priced at $3 at Walgreens. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive a $5 store coupon. So you will purchase 3 at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $9. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9 minus that $5 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to just $4. And then you will get back a $5 store coupon, which is right here. And it says compliments of P&G and Unilever. So with receiving this $5 store coupon, that makes all 3 of the Crest Scope mouthwash completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And I don't know why I had this $6 registry reward, because I did not get a $6 registry reward on this transaction. It was actually on another transaction. So just ignore this, you guys. So that was everything that I got in this transaction. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So as you guys can see, my Gillette foam shave gels, we're gonna go buy one, get one 50% off. The first one we're gonna go up at $2.99. The second one half off at $1.49. There's the Almay at $3.49. And as you guys can see, the regular price is $13.99. And then for the Revlon, it will go clearance price at $5.29, and the regular price is $10.29. There is the Palmolive dish soap at $9.99. Both of my Dove deodorants at 2 for $11. Both of my wipes at 2 for $5. Both Colgates at $3.99, so $7.98. My Dawn dish soap at $2.69. And then all 3 of my Crest Scope mouthwashes at $3 each, so $9 total. And there is the point coupon purchase. That's the paper booster that I had, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. And then the $8 off of an $8 purchase, that is the store coupon that I had for purchasing the cosmetics. My $7 digital came off for the Dove deodorant, $5 digital for the Crest Scope mouthwash, $4 digital for the Colgate, $1 digital for the Lysol, 50-cent digital for the Dawn. And as you guys can see, the 50-cent digital did not come off for the Palmolive. So it brought my subtotal to $24.42. I did pay that out of pocket using my Walgreens MasterCard. And then when you look down here, okay, it's right here. So when you look down here, it says earned this visit $18.53. So again, my subtotal came out to be $24.42, and I got back a total of $18.53. Now of that $18.53, $4 came from the Gillette for purchasing 2. $4 came from the Colgate for purchasing 2. And then the $9 came from spending $40. And then the $1.53, that is the extra Walgreens cash. So that's a total of $18.53. So $24.42. And then I also calculated in that $8 that I got for the cosmetics. So total, my total actually came out to be $32.42. And then I got back the $18.53 in Walgreens cash rewards. That brought my total down to $13.89. And then I got back this $5 store coupon for the Crest Scope mouthwash. So that brought my total down to $8.89. Then I got my $2 back from IBOTTA for both of the Dove deodorants. And then I also got back my $2 from Fetch Rewards for both of the Dove deodorants. So that's a total of $4 that I got back. So that brought my total down to $4.89. And then I got back my 50 cents from customer service for the Palmolive dish soap digital coupon not coming off. So that brought my grand total down to just $4.39 for all of these items. This is a total of 15 items. So it makes each item just 29 cents. So this was a really good transaction for me, you guys. I have no complaints. Like I said, the only issue that I had was just the Palmolive dish soap digital coupon not coming off, but customer service credited me for that. So this was a great transaction for me. Not free, but still a good transaction. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you all have gotten so far at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, same for IBOTTA. If you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!